Hello everyone, myself Venkat. I am studying BCA in ICCA College at Davangere. Today let us understand what stack is and let us discuss some operations that are involved with stack. Okay, first we need to understand what actually stack is, then we need to move for performing some operations on the stack. Okay, let us discuss what stack is. Here you can see stack is a non-primitive linear data structure which follows the principle of LIFO, that is last in and first out. Whatever the element that we added last, that is the element that we can remove it from the first. Okay, we can't randomly insert and remove elements from the stack. We have to follow this principle, or you can also call this as first in and last out also. Okay, actually stack is a container in which insertion and deletion of elements can be done through one end, that is top of the stack. We have to we can remove elements from the stack only from the top, that is it has only one opening. Okay, then before performing some operations on stack we have to consider some things, that is we can perform operations like pushing elements into the stack, popping out the elements from the stack, and displaying the elements which are present in the stack. Okay, before pushing the elements we need to see whether the stack is full or not. If the stack is full, then we cannot push any elements further. That is one thing we have to take care of. Then you can also see if we need to pop elements out from the stack, then we need to see whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then we cannot pop out any elements from the stack. These are some things which we need to take care of. Okay, this is about the concept of stack. Let us discuss the operations of stack using some program. Okay, let us write program for operating on stack. Okay, stack include stdio.h int main let's declare an array with the name stack globally. Actually we can define the size of the stack using named constants. Define. Okay, let's take size as, let's take it as 4 for now, and here let's take it as size. Okay, this is we declared an array named stack. Okay, then let's declare some methods. Those are push, okay, void, pop. These are the methods that we need to use to operate with the stack. Okay, display. Okay, these are the methods. First let's ask user to choose their choice. Okay, let's allow them to make a choice. First enter the choice. Okay, let's take like this. Then let's read the user's choice. We need to take some variable. Let's take it as int choice. Let's read it. Okay, I have read the user's choice. Then let's provide options. Okay, printf. First it may be push operation, then second pop, then third we can take it as display, then finally exit. Okay, exit statement we have to take. Fourth one to terminate. Okay, terminate. This is about the options. Let's write the functions for pushing elements and popping out elements. Okay, first let's take it as push. Okay, as already we have seen that before pushing any element to the stack we need to take care whether the stack is full or not. If the stack is full, then we cannot push any elements further. Therefore let's take a condition. As we already saw that we need to insert an element or delete an element from the stack using top. Therefore let us declare a variable with the name top and initialize it to -1. Okay, we will increment the top, therefore I have taken it as -1 Okay, you will know why I have taken it as -1. Okay, let's check whether the top is equal to size. I have taken it as size, right? Size -1. Then we need to print stack is full, right? Stack is full, cannot push. Okay, let's take like this. Else we need to take the element and push it to the stack. Okay, else let's take like this. Printf enter the element to push into the stack. Okay, it's fine. Then scanf %d stack of top, right? As we have taken top as -1, first we have to increment the top, then we need to take the element. Isn't it array index starts from 0, right? Therefore we need to increment it. First of all it will be as -1, then it will be incremented to 0, then we need to read the element from the user. Okay, we have read the element from the user. Then let's write the code for pushing out elements. Okay, void pop. Then we need to check whether the stack is empty or not. If the top variable points to -1, then automatically it means that stack is empty, right? Therefore we need to print a stack is empty, cannot pop out element. Okay, then else if stack is not empty, then we need to print the top element and pop it out. Okay, let's take it as popped element %d stack of top. Okay, the top element will be printed, and let's decrement the top. Okay, this is about popping function. Then let's take for display. Okay, void display. Here also we need to check whether the stack is empty or not, isn't it? If the stack is empty, then there are no elements to print, right? Display. Therefore let's check whether top is equal to -1. If top is -1, then we need to print that stack is empty, no elements to display. Okay, that's right. Then if the stack is not empty, then we need to display the elements which are present in the stack. Okay, if stack is not empty, then we need to print, right? Let's take it as printf elements in the stack. Let's take a for loop. Int index starts from 0, as we all know, and we should print the elements till top, right? Whatever the top contains, until then we need to print the elements which are present in the stack. Let's print the elements. Printf %d \n. Then let's print stack of I. Okay, this is for displaying the elements which are present in the stack. Okay, let's check once again. If stack is -1, we need to print that stack is empty, no elements to display. This is fine. Then we are checking the stack is empty or not, and we are popping out the element by first we are printing it and then we are popping it out. Then we are checking whether the top is double equal to size -1, that is stack is full or not. We are checking it, and then we are pushing elements into the stack. Okay, this is about it. Then let's call these functions one by one. Let's take this in switch. Okay, switch, we have read the choice from the user. Let's take the choice variable. Let's take cases. Case 1, here we have taken 1 is for push, therefore let's call push function and let's break it. Then case 2, if user have pressed 2, then we need to call pop operation, then again break. Then case 3, display, isn't it, display, then break. Finally, if user selected any other option, then we need to terminate the program. Let's take it as exit of 1, then program will be terminated, isn't it? It's fine. Let's take all these things in while loop, so we can do it again and again. Okay, while of 1, it will execute infinitely until the user presses terminate. Okay, let's copy all this. Okay, let's take it in the while loop. Okay, okay, here it is. Okay, fine. Let's check whether it's going good or not. Okay, let's run this. Okay, I'm running the program. Okay, now I'm going to run the program. Okay, it's asking us to enter the choice. Let's take it as push. Okay, it's asking us to enter the element. I'm going to give it as 10. Again push, again element 20, again pushing it, again element as 30. Again I'm going to push, again I'm going to give it as 40, the element is. Again it's asking, I'm pushing again. You can see it's printed as stack is full, cannot push. That means the stack has reached its limit, therefore we can't push any element further. Now let's pop out the elements from the stack. Let's see, you can see the last the last entered element, that is the element which is at top of the stack, it's popped out. Okay, again I'm going to give it as pop, again pop. You can see the elements are getting popped out from the stack. Finally the stack is empty now, we can't pop out any element. Let's check how this display function is working. Let's again push the elements. Okay, I'm going to push some elements, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's see how this display function is working. I'm going to give it as 3. You can see the elements that are present in the stack are printed here, 12, 13 and 14. Here this is how the display function is working. And let's terminate the program. Okay, you can see that a program is terminated. This is it. I hope you understood the concept and the operations that are involved using stack. Thank you.